How's it going, everybody? My name is Grigg and welcome to my tutorial. So today I want to teach you guys one of my favorite things. It's called freeze motion capture on a splashing cup. Now, there are a few things that you're going to need if you want to do this correctly. First, you need your camera. Second, you need a glass cup. Third, you need a speed light and tripod. Fourth, you need an assistant. You cannot do this without an assistant. Now let me show you how to set it up. Find a room where you have plenty of space. The room should be dark with a black curtain or blanket behind the subject. This will make it easier to edit in Photoshop. Next, you will want to create the triangle of life with a cup of water, camera, and speed light. All of your light should come from your speed light. Make sure it is at its dimmest setting. Then you need to set yourself and your assistant up with the subject. For this photo I took, my camera settings were at f8 with a shutter speed of 1/15 and an ISO of 200. Your assistant needs to drop a small object into the cup to make a splash. A rock or a golf ball will do just fine. You're going to have to time it and take a few shots until you get it right. Adjust settings if necessary. Now once you do find the photo that you're happy with, you're going to want to take it to Photoshop. Put the photo on your computer and then drag the image into Photoshop. Now, if you took it in a dark room with a black background, it should look something like this. And editing is actually really simple. The first thing we want to do is go to Image, Adjustments, and go to Levels, just so we can have the background just a little bit more black. See, there we go. That's good. Now, this little table here is kind of distracting, so next we'd want to do is crop the bottom just a little bit. Just like that. Crop. Now, like I said, the table, a little bit distracting. We're actually going to put a mask on it, but instead of putting on the masking layer, we're going to put it on the front. We'll go to our little brush tool. Make sure the opacity is at 85%. Then we're going to brush just alongside of the table to give it a little more of a darker edge. That way you can see the table, but it's not as distracting as it was before. There we go. That way your cup is in focus. It's beautiful. Well, not beautiful, but it's there, and you should be happy with it. And that's my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it works for you too.